Udaya, Namo Namaha. Good morning, all. Everyone is seeking the light. The light we get out is according to the type of fuel we entertain. We see the light from the matchstick, we see the light from the torch, we see the light in the fire, in the moon, in the lightning, in the sun, in the stars. We see the lightning in the fire, but we understand that light, it is not an independent light. It is a borrowed light. It is a borrowed light, borrowed from the source. What is that inexhaustible source? Whatever light we see, it is only a borrowed light. Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna talks about Yadaditya gatan tejo jagadbhasayate akhilam yachandramasi yachagno tattejo viddhimamakam. Whatever light we see, whatever brilliancy we see is nothing but a borrowed light. It is not the original light. We have to, we are celebrating Deepavali. Avali means chain. Deepa means the light. What is that light? Which lasts for long. Eternal light. Not the artificial light. Artificial lights which appear to be luminous, glowy, and sooner or later it leaves us back in the darkness. I have to find out what is that lasting light. I have to find out the lasting eternal light. Seek that light. I have to seek that light, eternal light, inexhaustible light. That light, it is not outside, it is something within. I have to realize that one. The eternal light within, when I see the eternal light within, an illumined person, when you with this light enlighten another light, one light to another light. Jyot se jyot jagao. And one light, you enlighten the other light. You light up, you light up your heart. With this light, you enlighten another one. This chain of this one is called as Deepavali. Not outside we say, Happy Deepavali and have some sweets. We have been celebrating Deepavali for countless years, still nothing has transformed. In Deepavali, I have to discover what is that light. I have to discover the light within. That light, with that light, I have to light up another heart. That chain of that one is the true meaning of Deepavali. Now, it's outer lights, we can light up so many lights. Yes, outer festival are required, but festival should be backed out with inner meaning. Not otherwise, it is only a marketing gimmick. Marketing parliament is lit up for one day, that one is lit up for one day, and rest 345, 64 days, again darkness. We have to light up here. And Patanjali talks about Yoganga Anushtana Ashuddhikshaye Jnana Deeptira Vivekat Kyate. Light of knowledge. That alone will shine out. All the other light sooner or later will fade out and will put you back into the darkness. Light of knowledge. Have the thirst for knowledge, Jnana Deeptira. That when you light up that light of knowledge, it won't get extinguished. That is what is needed. Jnana Deeptira Viveka Kyate. Patanjali talks about this on Deepavali. Deepavali, it's commemorates with the destruction of darkness. Ravana was an embodiment of darkness, negativity. He died on Amavasya. On Amavasya day, he died, and the Amavasya is Deepavali. He died. Duryodhana also, he died on Amavasya. Jarasandha died on Amavasya. to counter the darkness. Darkness can be countered only with the light. Darkness by itself it cannot counter. Darkness, the negative to the core to vanquish Ravana, Ramachandra, light himself. He is the embodiment of light. He had to come. The darkness cannot be vanquished with associating with another darkness. It has to be vanquished with the light. The Bhima was an ardent devotee of the Lord. He vanquished Duryodhana and Jarasandha. The Bhagavan himself, he is only can. I was reading Bhagavatam today. Bhagavatam said, unless there is a contemplate on the divine stories, his glories, his name, the darkness sooner or later it will come overpower us. The divine name, his stories alone will save us from the darkness. Will save us from the darkness. So association with the Bhagavan Nam and his Harikatha and associating with illumined people alone can dispel the darkness. Dispel the darkness. Deepa Avali. Let us on this occasion, Deepavali occasion, illumine the inexhaustible light from within. Light within, the association with the noble people, association, the constantly hearing about the positive things. The ears are there, let the positive things come to our ears all the time, that light up removes the darkness. The mantra also talks about asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityur ma amritangamaya. The darkness, tamas, the darkness is enveloped. The moment you stop your sadhana, again darkness comes. The darkness is continuously onslaught of darkness. How to swim across the onslaught of darkness is only the contemplating on Bhagavan and his name, his stories. Contemplate again and again, then that is the Deepavali. That is the Deepavali. It is not just bursting the crackers. Yes, it is an outer indication. But innerly, we have to, we yoga practitioners, we look out for the significance. Significance is, yes, I have been eating so much of sweets on Deepavali occasion, bursting so many crackers. How can I light up my inner light? Inner light, that light, Vasu means the light which is covered. It is not revealed. Vasudeva means revealed light. Vasu means covered light. Vasudeva means revealed light. May the Lord Vasudeva get revealed through us. The name Yoga has two words. Yo means what you have known. The known world. Known world we have seen. We have been playing in this known world, full of challenges, full of confusion, full of it's anxiety and full of problem. Yo means known world. I have known this world. I have been playing this game. Everywhere is confronted with challenges. Ga means seek the path which is the light, path of the light. Take the path of light to realize the ultimate light. Yoga means Deepavali. Darkness, Yo means darkness, Ga means to light. Moving, name Yoga itself means Deepavali. Move from the known dark world, move towards the light. That is Yoga. The Deepavali really dawns when the Yoga sets in us. May we seek Bhagavan's grace. May He light up our hearts with this illumined heart. May we be light in the society, in the community, in the world, wherever we go. May we spread the positivity and harmony in the world. May we be a source of inspiration for the humanity. Is the message for Deepavali.